Have you ever looked at your bank statement, your portfolio, your retirement plan, and wondered, is this it? Is this the full measure of my wealth? I want to talk to you about a different kind of portfolio, one that doesn't fluctuate with the stock market, one that can't be taken from you, one that, once acquired, compounds in value for the rest of your life. I'm talking about the portfolio of you. The single most important investment you'll ever make is not in a stock, a piece of real estate, or a startup. It's in your own self-growth. And I know what you're thinking. I'm too busy. It's selfish. Where do I even start? Let's reframe that. Think of the most skilled, capable, confident version of yourself. Who is that person? What do they know that you don't yet? How do they carry themselves? What problems can they solve? That person isn't a fantasy. They are your future self. And the gap between who you are today and who you can become, that gap is filled with not luck, but with investment. Investing in yourself has 4 key pillars. First, invest in your mind. This is your foundational capital. Every book you read is a deposit. Every podcast that challenges your thinking is a dividend. Every online course, every workshop, every deep conversation is you buying shares in a more nuanced, more capable, more insightful you. You are trading mere entertainment for enduring understanding. Second, invest in your craft. Whatever you do, there is a masterful version of it. Deliberate practice isn't just for athletes and concert pianists. It's for parents, for managers, for artists, for engineers. Spend 1 hour this week mastering a tiny aspect of your work. That hour is an investment that will pay you back in efficiency, respect, and satisfaction for years. Third, invest in your resilience. Your mental, physical health is not an expense. It's your infrastructure. That morning workout isn't just about calories. It's about finding your energy bank for the day. It's risk management against the chaos of life. You cannot withdraw from an empty account. Nourish it. And fourth, invest in your connections. Surround yourself with the people who draw your best self to the surface. Invest time in mentors. Invest vulnerability in true friends. Invest encouragement in your team. The interest on this investment is paid in support, opportunity, and shared joy. Now, let's address the real obstacle. Time. I don't have an extra 20 hours a week, you say. I'm not asking for 20 hours, I'm asking for 1%. 1% of your day is roughly 15 minutes. 15 minutes a day spent learning a new skill. 15 minutes a day strengthening your body. 15 minutes a day organizing your mind. Do you know what happens to an investment when you contribute just a small amount, consistently, over time? It compounds. That 15 minutes of learning today makes the next 15 minutes easier and more profound. That one difficult conversation you lean into today builds the courage for a bigger one tomorrow. You're not adding in a straight line, you're building on a curve, an upward curve of confidence, of capability, of calm. The world will try to distract you from this. It will sell you shortcuts, numbing agents, and the lie that you are finished. Do not believe it. You are a living, breathing, unfinished masterpiece, and you hold the brush. So this week, I want you to make one trade. Trade 30 minutes of scrolling for 30 minutes of learning. Trade 1 hour of worry for 1 hour of creation. Trade 1 evening of complaining for 1 evening of planning your growth. Start small, but start today. Open the book, schedule the class, make the call, take the walk, write the first sentence. Because in a world that is constantly changing, the only sustainable edge is your ability to adapt, to learn, and to grow. You would not expect a tree to bear fruit without water and sun. Do not expect your life to bear meaning, impact, and joy without investing in the soil from which everything grows. You. The returns on this investment are not measured in dollars, but in the currency of a life well lived. Confidence, resilience, curiosity, peace, impact. The market for your potential has been open since the day you were born, and it never closes. So tell me, what will you invest in tomorrow?